Let me show you. The Z Fold 2 comes in two colors, Mystic Black and what I have here, Mystic Bronze. Gorgeous, right? The haze effect and metal finish set the tone right away. Overall, the body is thinner, and we minimize the gap between the screens, making this ergonomic design fit comfortably in your pocket. I'm turning it on now. After we launched the first Galaxy Fold, users told us they used the front screen as much as the inner, wider screen. We listened and adapted. The new Z Fold 2 sports a wider 6.2-inch full-cover display with no compromises. So even when it's closed, you have a full smartphone experience. Open the device, and you can access an even more immersive viewing experience. We've maximized the screen with our whole-in display technology, bringing our Infinity O display to the Z Fold 2 across a beautiful 7.6 inches. Of course, the Z Fold 2 embodies our 120 Hz refresh rate technology and additional upgrades. We optimize the display layers, reinforce the entire structure to make the phone tougher in real-world environments. Now, let's take a look. The Galaxy Z Fold 2 has the most advanced flexible display ever, giving you an immersive theater, an epic game room, and a creative work studio, all in one, delivering an uninterrupted viewing experience. And whether you're working or playing games on the 5G network, the dual intelligent battery will last all day. Now, the display is only part of what makes the Fold experience possible. We completely re-engineered the hinge of the Z Fold 2 to improve resilience so you can use it with greater confidence in its durability. The Z Fold 2 boasts the most advanced mechanism for folding technology. We are proud pioneers in this category, and we will never stop making it better. When it comes to what you can achieve on the Z Fold 2, this is just the tip of the iceberg. We've got so much more to tell you about this amazing device. We're going to share more details on September 1st. We've been working hard, collaborating with partners, and listening to our users to bring whole new experiences to life for the Z Fold 2. So remember, September 1st,